My name is Dan Nguyen, and I study microbes, more specifically bacteria. Why bacteria? Well, first, although they're invisible to the naked eye, bacteria are everywhere. Each tiny milliliter of water can contain millions of them. In fact, if you were to find a balance big enough and gather all bacteria from the oceans on it, you would find that they're about half of all the living biomass of the oceans. My project looks at the seasonal presence of a bacterial gene called proteorhodopsin, a gene that allows bacteria to use light as an energy source. Put very simply, this would be somewhat of a bacterial version of the hybrid car. The interest in this gene lies in the fact that it could increase growth or survival of bacteria in difficult environments like the Arctic Ocean.